Deceptive advertising schemes. Can you see through them? You may have encountered advertisements like this. They tout a well-known brand of software, promising you can earn a lot of money by playing with it. However, the catch is that you must download the real version of the software through the link under the ad to earn money. Many people fall victim to these ads, including several people in my social circle. This advertising strategy seems ridiculous and naive, like buying a luxury car directly from the manufacturer only to be told it's fake, and the only way to get a genuine one is to buy from your store. This logic is absurd. Downloading software from the official link is considered fake, while using the ad link is deemed real. It's almost a joke. Those creating these ads seem to believe that people are fools, but in reality, they are the biggest fools themselves. Assuming others are idiots is a flawed approach that is ridiculous in itself. How can you continue to live in this society if you can't recognize such obvious scams? The existence of these deceptive ads not only insults the intelligence of the general public but also poses a significant threat to social trust and the business environment. They exploit people's trust in brands and desire for money, weaving elaborate lies to lure people into their traps. This kind of deception causes severe damage to the integrity and business environment of society. What's more concerning is that these deceptive ads are not limited to the internet. They permeate our daily lives through other channels such as TV, radio, and newspapers. This means people are at risk of being deceived by fraudulent ads in various settings. Elderly people and those lacking awareness are especially vulnerable. How can we better protect ourselves from these fraudulent ads and schemes? First, we must cultivate our discernment and vigilance against deceptive ads. By continually learning and growing, we can improve our information literacy and knowledge to avoid becoming targets of these scammers. For ads that seem overly exaggerated, we should remain cautious and not be swayed by empty promises. Next, we should actively report these deceptive ads to the relevant authorities to help maintain order in the internet and society. Strengthening regulation and penalizing illegal actions are crucial measures to curb the spread of fraudulent ads, making it difficult for scammers to operate. Governments and regulatory bodies should establish stricter laws to crack down on deceptive ads and ensure the healthy development of the advertising market. Additionally, we need to emphasize education and instill the ability to identify and prevent fraudulent ads in the next generation. By teaching related knowledge in schools and homes, we can raise awareness of deceptive ads throughout society and reduce the number of victims. Education should not only make people aware of the harm of deceptive ads but also teach them how to identify and resist them. We should also encourage media and advertising professionals to take on more social responsibility, adhering strictly to ethical and legal standards to avoid publishing deceptive ads. A trustworthy media and advertising environment are essential for society's development. Ultimately, how can we maintain a clear mind and find a safe path in this society filled with deceptive information and scams? This is a question each of us needs to consider and address. What measures do you think should be taken to tackle these deceptive ads in your life? How do you identify and protect yourself from these scams? By sharing experiences and strategies, we can collectively enhance our ability to recognize and prevent deceptive ads, ensuring we don't fall into these traps. We must work together to create a safer and more honest society for ourselves and future generations. Do you have any advice or experiences to share with others?